Hi everyone, just waiting for you guys to come and say hi to me. How's everyone doing? Hi Preet, how's been school? So how was school for Preet? Good. I can see everyone chatting around here. So let's wait for some of your friends to come in and join. Is this live? Obviously this is live. I'm just waiting for your friends to join in a second. So give me a minute. To love your school. That's good to know that you love your school. Everyone should love school. Who dislike? I know who dislike because we normally get a dislike when you guys come. So there's someone amongst you all who likes giving a dislike. It's fine. Don't worry about that. Just concentrate. I didn't name anyone, did I? I didn't say anyone's name. You're happy when you go to school. That's really good. You should be happy when you go to school. School is a good place. Because of the bad internet. What happened to your internet? Okay. Did any of you give the QE? It was only, I think so. Reshik was the one who had given QE, and Banish, he's not here. He was the one who had given QE. Anyone else had given QE? No, nobody had given that. You did QE. How was it? Did you find the paper hard or easy? I did. Preet, you can't give QE. QE is a boys' school. I had last Tuesday. Okay, you had it last Tuesday. It was so easy. That's good. You found it easy. But I heard the English was little hard, wasn't it? Because some of the kids said that the English was little hard than maths. QE is something. QE is something. It's Queen Elizabeth. That's a short form. QE. Like ALT is the short form for ambitious learning. That's our short form. Because I was saying, Katie was asking, what do you mean by ALT? So we are doing maths today, and I hope all of you like maths. So we'll be doing maths today, and I have the maths paper for you all. So we all will be doing maths today. If you guys are ready, let me know that. Then we can start doing the maths. Oh, yeah, it is. I can see that. Should we start doing maths now? Because I don't want to waste your time. We should be doing a little bit of maths. I'm just waiting for your creative writings. Try giving your creative writings from last week. If you have not, I have not seen if anybody did. Hi, Shaurya. So let's start doing maths now. And should I start sharing my screen with you guys? Are you guys ready? Your internet speed is slow. It's fine. Don't worry about that. Well, let's start sharing the screen now. OMG, I forgot the creative writing. I know you did. Yes, everybody's ready for creative writing. Oh, sorry, for maths, what I'm saying. Everybody's writing for creative writing. I did a video in the morning also for your parents, for the new members who have joined for 11 plus. I did a video in the morning. Try watching that one also. Guys, we just need 300 watch time. You should all be watching the videos and you should be doing our 300 watch times. If you do that, we'll get more functions after we do it. So let's start sharing the screen now and start doing maths with you all. All of you can see the maths. So let's get started. I'll try. It's both. Let me just do it a little big for you guys. I think so. It's big now. So let's do the first one now. I think so. You can see it. It was not 1 a.m. It was it was 1:30 in the afternoon today. So let's start doing it now. Look at the first one and give me the answer. They are just asking you what is the perimeter of this rectangle hexagon if each side has a length 2x. So remember, each side is 2x. Just calculate, just count how many sides are there and then just multiply it. So there are 6 sides, and obviously if you multiply it by 6, 2 multiplied by 6, that gives you 12x. So all of you are giving me the right answer. Don't forget to write x. Hi Pankri, I like your profile picture. It's 12x. Well done everyone. The first one is 12x. You just need to count how many sides are there and just need to multiply it by 2. 2 multiplied by 6 because there are 6 sides and is 12x, and 2 is already given to you. That's why you're multiplying it by 6. So let's move on to the next one. You need to tell me about the sequence. What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 8, 27 or 64? Look at the pattern, and you know the pattern is the cube numbers are going on. So they are cube numbers, and what's the next cube number you can have? Of 5 is 125. So basically you're just having the cube numbers in this, and the next one is 125, and there are cube numbers going on. And the next one they are saying, Pankri, you don't like these ones, try doing this one for me. The next one is I face north and turn 270 degrees anti-clockwise. Which direction am I facing? Shaurya's got it right. East. Rishik has got it right. That's That's east. You're just doing 270 is 3/4 of a whole turn anti-clockwise. It tells you you need to turn left from north, turn left 90 degrees to west, then 90 degrees to south, another 90 degrees to east. So the answer for this one is east. Oh, what's happened to my this? Next one is, what is 144 plus 100? Remember, this sign basically means the square roots. So they're asking you mean square roots. What's the square root of 144 plus square root of 100? Again, Shore got it right. Vivek got it right. Shita got it right. It's 12 plus 10, yeah? That's 22. You just need to do it. For this one is 12 plus 10. That gives you 22. Next one is, if you go on the next one, it tells you Joe learns X pounds per week. How much will she learn in 8 weeks? So you just need to multiply X by 8 and then tell me your answer for the next one. Yes, Preet, that's right. So the answer for that one is 8 pound X. So answer for this one is, you just need to multiply X multiply by 8. That gives you 8x. I'll wait for a second because I'll remove it and I'll go little up for you guys to look at the next one. But I think so you can do it. Let's remove all of these now. And move to number 5. Number 6, sorry. Number 5 you guys did. Try doing number 6 now. Click the answers that has the largest value. So you need to see which one have the largest values. 4 cubed, half of 120, 60% of 200, 6/8 of 180, or 0.4 of 210. I've zoomed in. You can see it now. If you do it, 4 cubes is 4 multiplied by 4, 4 times, that gives you 64. Half of 120, that gives me 60. And 60% of 200 gives me 120. So if I write it down, all of them, let me do it for you guys. If I write all of them, 6 cubes gives me 64. And half of 120 gives me 60. 60% of 200 gives me 120. And 6/8 of 180 gives me 135. And the last one, 0.4 of 210 gives me 84. If you look at all of these, sorry about that, you know which is the largest one. Obviously, the third one, oh sorry, 6/8 or 180 is the large one. So that would be your answer. So it will be 6/8 of 180. So 6/8 or 180, 6 or 180 gives you 135. It doesn't give you 120. So that's the largest one. So move on to the next one. Number 7. What is the size of each angle in a equilateral triangle? You know, each sides are equal in that. So they are just asking you, what is the size? So you know that the total of the angle is 180 degrees. So you just need to divide, all the sides are equal. So you just need to divide 180 divided by 3 and give me your answer. Because they're asking you a triangle, that's why. So the answer is 60. Good. So it's basically you're dividing. Sorry, let me just remove this. You're just doing 180 what's happening to this again today. 180 divided by 3. That gives you guys 60 as your answer. So 60 is your answer for number 7. The next one now. A book contains 72 pages. There are 16 copies of this book in the library. How many pages is this altogether? You just need to say it's 72 multiplied by 16. That will give you your answer. Yeah, that's the answer. 1152. 1152 because you're just multiplying 72 multiplied by 16. That gives you the answer 1152. So move on to number 9 now. Number 9 is, in a survey of favorite foods, 3 people said they prefer chips, 5 ice creams, 6 burgers, 8 roast dinners, and 2 apple. What was the model food choice? So basically, you need to say what is the So, in a survey of favorite foods, three people said they prefer chips, five ice creams, and two apples. What was the model food choice? Try doing this now. You just need to find the mode in this, which one is most common, and try doing that. So, what you will find the dinner? Yeah, roast dinner is the most famous one. That's good. So, is the roast dinner? All of you got the answer right? Good. So, number nine is roast dinner. Roast dinner is your answer. Let me rub this out so all of you can see number 10 now. Try doing number 10, then we can move on to the next one. Number 10 is my roast dinner was that, and number 10 is now my friend are at these ages 8, 9, 7, 10, 8, 6, 11. What is the median age? So you need to find the median. You know what the median is. Arrange them in order and find the middle one. And you need to find the middle number. So put them in order and find the middle number. So you'll put them in order. It's 8, 9, 7, 10, 8, 6, 11. So you'll start with 7. Let me use a box now. So it'll be 6. You'll start with 6, 7, 8, 8, 10, and 11. So after you write this, you need to find the middle number. And when you find the middle number, it will be 8. So your answer for this one is 8. I'm just looking how many of you got the right answer. Good, you guys got it. 8. So let's move on to the next page. Well done everyone for this page. So let me zoom in. Little more zoom. You guys can't see it. You can see it now? Yes, you can. That's good. So 10% of my class are absent, which is 4 pupils. How many pupils are present? So you need to find out how many are present. So if 10% of the class is 4 pupils, then 100% must be 4 multiplied by 10. That gives you 40. Why I'm giving you the hint? I should be waiting for you guys to give me the answer. Sorry about that. Pankri got the answer. It's 36. Good, Pankri. Kara got it. It's 36. Shaurya got it. Preet got it. It's 36. It's not 40, Vivek. You need to minus it by 4. And then that would be your answer. So you need to minus it from 40. minus by 4. That gives you 36, and that's your answer. Because 10% means 10% of the class have 4 pupils. So 100% will have 4 multiplied by 10. That's 40. And then you minus it by 4. That gives you 36. So try doing the next one. I want to save 10p per day for the whole year except Christmas. So except Christmas, I want to save 10p per day for the whole year except Christmas day. How much would I save? It is not a leap year. So you need to know how many days there are in a year. You know that there are 665 days in a year. You need to subtract that day with the Christmas day. That comes to 664. And then what they're asking you, I want to save 10p per day, and just multiply it by 10 and get your answer. It's 36.40. Good. How many days there are? There are 365. But we need to minus Christmas day. That will come to 364 multiplied by 10. And that will give us to total 36.40. That's your answer. So move on to number 13 now. Number 13 is it's the pounds, Vivek. It's 33 pounds and 40 pence. And the next one is, I bought a skirt for £10.50. My sister paid £10 more. How much did she pay? So you need to find out how much her sister paid. Sean has already got the answer. Francisco also got the answer. It's £11.55. You just need to find the 10% first. 10% is divided by 10, so you have £1.5. You need to move the decimal point one place to the left, and then you need to add to the price of £10.50 plus £1.5. So you're just multiplying it. It's an easy one. So you're just doing £10.50, £10.50 multiply, sorry, not multiply, plus £1.5. £1.05. That gives you £11.55. So the next one now. Which of these numbers show the results in 19,000 plus 29? 19029. That's a good one. Vivek also got it right. Francisco also got it right. So it is 19029. Next one now. Name the shape that does not have any acute, obtuse, or reflex interior angles. Which one? which is the shape which doesn't have any acute, obtuse, or reflex interior angles. Square. Yes, square could be one. Not circle, Shaurya. Square. No, Shaurya didn't say circle. Nirup, no circle. Circle is wrong. It's a square. It cannot be a circle and a rectangle. Good. So the answer for this one is, I'll use a box for this one. It's rectangle. Rectangle or square. Underline the shapes that has two sides or parallel sides. So which one? I will, for making your life easy, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 or 5. Which one? I'll put it a little up for you guys. Oh, what's happening? My 2 is gone there. I'll do it with my hand. It's getting... Let me rub all this out because it's getting a little messy now. So this one is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 or 5. Which one you think has a parallel lines? Vivek says 5 and 3. So let's see, it's 5 or 3. It's 3 only. Yes, it's 3 only. It cannot be 5 and 3. It's only 3. So the answer is only this one. Look at this one. Parallel lines, parallel lines. No other one has it. So move on to the next one now. So go on the next one now. Write 0.45 as a fraction in its simplest form. So which one do you think? How can you write that in the simplest form? Write 0.45 to the simplest form. Ryan got it right. It's 9 by 20. You cannot simplify that more. So your answer for number 17 is 9 by 20. Let me remove this. Is 9 by 20. You cannot move that. You cannot simplify that anymore. So move on to number 18 now. A point on a grid has coordinates 2, 4. It moves 3 places to the right and 2 places upwards. What is the value of its new multiplied by coordinates? What do you think it is now? So you know that in this, the coordinates are always the former x and y. If the point is Move 3 places right, then the x coordinates is increased by 3. If you move 2 places upwards, then the y coordinates is increased by 2. So we have increase them by 2 and then give me your answer. I think so you guys are getting confused with this one. So you have 2 plus 3, and the next one is 4 plus 2, because we are moving 2 places for that, and your answer would be 5 and 6. Vivek has got it right now, is 5 and 6. Number 19 now. What is the probability of rolling an even number with a normal 6? They are basically asking you now, what is the probability of rolling an even number with a normal 6-side dice? Remember that you need to do it. They're asking you 3. Pankri, try writing. What's the problem of rolling an even number with a number 6-side slide? So try putting it, the 3 numbers, what the 3 even numbers are. So your 3 numbers are 2, 4, and 6. And out of a probability of 6, the probability is therefore written as a fraction 3 by 6. And you simplify that, and that is half. So the answer is half. All of you got it? Right. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, and then probability is 3 by 6. Simplify that more. That will give you half. Let's move on to 20. Let me remove all this. Another one now. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So try doing number 20 now. Number 20 is, in a game, the probability of landing on red is 0.4 and the probability of landing on black is 0.4. What is the probability I land on either? So what's the probability you land on either? So you just need to add 1.04 plus 0.4, that gives you 0.8. And then you minus it from 0.8, and then you'll get your answer, and that will give you 0.2. So the answer for number 20 is 0.2, because you guys are minusing 0.8, you're minusing 0.8, you added 0 and 0, that 8, you're minusing 8 from 1, 0.1 minus from 0.8, that gives you 0.2. So move on to the sequence. What are the missing numbers in the sequence now? 2.1, something is missing. 2.2, something is missing. And 2.3. .15 and 2.25. So 2.15 is missing and 2.25 is missing. Good. So let's move on to the next one now. 22. Let me zoom in a little bit. Again, percentage now. What is 15% of 80? Remember, how can you write 15%? What is 15% of 80? Let me see if you guys know. 12 pounds. That's good. You got the answer right. You can also write 0.15 multiplied by 80, or you could do 15 by 100 multiplied by 80. So there are two ways of doing it. So you can do it, and the answer is for this one is 12 pounds. So try solving the equation and find the value of x. 5x plus 5 gives you 8x minus 10. Try doing 23 now. Let's see who does that. Shaurya's got it right. Shaurya, good. X is equal to 5. In this one, you just need to I'll tell you how to do it. I'm finding an easy way how to do it. You can remove the 10, do minus 10 on both the sides. If you do minus 10 on both the sides, you will be left with 3x plus 15 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 15, then x equals to 15 divided by 3, that gives you 5. So remove the 10 on both the sides. If you're removing the 10 by both the sides, you remove 10. This becomes 3x. That becomes 3x plus 15 and this one becomes 0. Then 3x equals to 3x gives you 15. Then x gives you 15 divided by 3. That gives you 5. Simple algebra, yeah, it's a simple algebra for this one. So let's move on. Try doing number 24 now. That's about the temperature. The temperature is 2 degrees warmer than yesterday, but it is 7 degrees cooler than predicted for tomorrow. If it will be 22 degrees tomorrow, what's the temperature yesterday? So you need to tell what was the temperature yesterday. Just minus 22 by 7 and get your answer. That's an easy one. You just need to do 15 minus 2, that gives you 13 degrees. So they're asking you about today. That's 13 degrees. So the temperature is just 15 minus 2, that is, because you're saying it's 2 degrees less. Read all that is 15 minus 2 gives you 13. My 13 looks so bad today. Move on to the next one. The chance of snow tomorrow is 21%. What is the chance of it not snowing? So basically they're asking you the probability now. The chance of snow tomorrow is 21%. What's the chance of not snowing? So what's the chance of not snowing? Just minus 100 minus 21 to give me the answer. That's an easy one. 79%. It's no chance of snowing. Hundred minus 21. Oh, again it's messing with me. Gives me 79%. The next one now. It is which word best describe the livelihood of the next person entering the room being a female? Suddenly, impossible, likely, even chance, or unlikely. Remember, there are almost 50-50% chances. So, which is the same as in, what else can you say? Even chance. Good. Pankri, I'll keep you till 7:30. Just joking. Even chance. That's your answer for this one. The next one, 27 now. Next one is if A equals to 3, B equals to 2, and C equals to 10, what is T if T equals to 5C divided by B plus 3A? Just put the what each means and do it. So you need to find what T is. T equals to 5 multiplied by 10. Here comes my bracket. Divided by B divided by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3. The answer comes to 34. Vivek was the first one to give me the answer. Good. So your answer for this one is 34. Oops. When you're done with this, tell me. I will remove it. So we got the answer for this one was 34. Move on to 28 now. 28 is the next one is now, what is the third angle in a triangle if the sum of two other two is 133? So remember that again, that when you add up the triangles, they turn up to the total of the triangle is 180. So you just need to minus 180 by 133 to find your answer. And that is Vivek has got it. Charles has got it. So a lot of you got the answer is 47. Good. So basically what are we doing here? We are just doing 180 divided by 133. That gives me 47. So move on to the next one now. The next one is Jody completed some test at school. Her results are tabulated. Her mean mark was 80%. What percentage did she get on Wednesday? So you need to find out what percentage she get on Wednesday. You need to add up the percentage already recorded. Just add up all the percentage and that turn up to 355. So if the mean mark for 80% is means that total score is divided by 5 days. So how much did she get? She got 80%. So the invoice is 80 multiplied by 5 is 400. The mean would be, you just need to minus 400 minus what do you calculate all the percentage. And then you get, good, it's 45%. So when we are adding all this, everything after adding, we will just need to subtract it by 400, subtract by 355, that gives me 45%. You never tried it. Pankri is tired. 45%. Let's finish this page, then you all can go back home after doing this page. Because all of you look so tired now. You got 3 more left. Let's finish these 3 more, then you guys can go back home. What's the number to 2 decimal places? 1.6.28, 38605. We got 3 more left for this page, then we'll be done for today. So basically, what about the decimals? I'm waiting for the answer, guys. 176 point what? Pankri, you're not doing it properly. 390. Vivek got the answer right. 2 decimal places is only. Let me just do this up a little bit. So we know that we are left with these 3. So it is 176 39. Move on to number 32 now, 31 now. 31 is if dense 150g shopping bag, there is 250g log of bread, 1 kg bag of potatoes, and a case of cola weighing 1.7 kg. How many grams is Den carrying? So basically, they're asking you how many grams is he carrying for number 31. So basically, you just need to add up 150 plus 250 plus 1 kg altogether and 1.7 kg. It gives you the total of 3. You just need to calculate all of them and give me the answer. Let me see if anybody of you are giving me the answer. So basically, when you add all of them, you add, let me take my $150, $250, 1 kg. 1 kg is how many grams? You all need to remember that. It's 1000 grams. And 1.7 kg. Again, 1.7 kg is how many grams? I'll just write that. That is 1700 G. G. That gives you all to your answer. That is 3100G. Let me see if anybody's given me that answer. And the last one for today. The temperature last week were 10, 15, 12, and 8, and 5, all in degrees Celsius was the mean temperature. You just need to know the mean temperature in this, you just need to add 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 and divide that by 5, how many numbers they are, and you divide 50 by 5 and then you'll get your answer. So how many are there? 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 divided by 5. That gives me 50. 50 divided by 5, that gives me 10. Oh, I'm reading. What happened to everyone? Nobody's giving me the answer here. Not 9, 10. Yeah, that's your answer for this one. So let's stop sharing the screen now. And all of you are tired. Well done, everyone. I've stopped sharing the screen now. And remember, we have another class tomorrow live. We have the verbal reasoning tomorrow at 6. So try coming tomorrow, all of you, for verbal reasoning. Don't miss it, because it's less than 6 weeks left for your 11 plus entrances. And I'm just trying to help you as much as I can. So let's stop sharing. I've stopped sharing the screen now, and it's good, everyone. Well done, everyone. I think so, Vivek, you forgot to add some. Let me see what you forgot to add in this one. Vivek has added 10. He's added 15. Vivek, you forgot to add 15, then 8 plus 5. You forgot to add 8 and 5. Try going back and seeing you forgot to add 1. It's 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5. That gives you 50. So let's do it. I think so Vivek is confused about something. And can anyone tell Vivek how to add these? You're adding all these, Vivek, and that gives you 50. And then you divide it by 5. So again, well done, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow in the evening at 6. Bye, everyone. Have rest. Go have something to eat, and see you guys back tomorrow. Bye, everyone. And if you have not liked the video, just try doing that before you guys go back now.